mention maybe, Amanda, at this point, which is related to the question. I feel that we have just reached base camp, and we have been equipped with the tools to now climb Mount Everest and reach the summit. And it's just the new chapter for us. There's no exit for the founders.
What is going on, my stock market bulls and bears? There's your boy, Terry Stonkers, and welcome to the channel, baby. Buy the dip. All right, guys, I don't have the camera on because we're getting ready to leave for that trip tomorrow, and I wasn't actually going to do a video tonight, but there's just so much going on that I had to come out here and do a video tonight for you guys. So if you're not following me on Twitter, go follow me at TerryZ247. We now have 1,140 followers. It's pretty phenomenal. This here is what I wanted to show you. I did the live stream earlier. I was down there watching the news, and then boom, this here came up on the Liz Claman countdown. So I tagged, MMAT, Pat George, METATERRY, Liz Claman, Fox, and I said, let's go, getting some TV airtime. So, wow, my video already has 2.2 thousand views. That's pretty amazing. Yeah, that's pretty amazing. So I literally recorded this, guys. Let's get back here. I recorded this, as you can see, on my phone off my couch. I went back and recorded this, so let's go watch this real quick.
Ticker to MVRS, like Metaverse, but that did not stop some investors from trying to get in on the Meta action early. But a stock totally unrelated to the Metaverse, METATERRY, rose as much as 26% after hours yesterday. The Canadian materials company, ticker MMAT, had already gained 4% during market hours. In response to the unexpected rally, METATERRY CEO George Palikaris tweeted, quote, "I'd like to welcome Facebook to the Metaverse." George, watch out, Shecky. George is getting up there with the comedy here. Facebook shares are up 3.25% since Wednesday. Let's go to Jerry Ticker to M.
So there you go, guys. I posted that video on the Twitter, and I said, I got to come out here and do a YouTube video for you guys as well. And yeah, 2,000 views on that already. That's pretty darn amazing. I got that on Twitter. That's why you want to follow me on Twitter to get that news out there. I did post earlier today. I've been buying some Sheeb and Doge, crypto's favorite pets. So I have been dabbling into cryptocurrencies, guys. And I think that is mainly the news on my Twitter. What I wanted to point out here, go follow the Facebook group, METATERRY Inc. They run this page here. They have a really good, William here runs this, guys. He does a great job. I'm in there. And here we go. Danny posted 2 hours ago, just posted on Webull. Kingfisher Capital, LLC, buys pro shares, ultra short S&P 500. Vanguard Extended Market Index, ETF. Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. Sells power shares, ultra short Lehman, 20-year Treasury, PR Diamondback Energy, Valero Energy Corp. And if you basically down here and look at all this, new purchases, right there, they got it highlighted for us. MMAT, yes, that's exactly what I want to see right here. MMAT, you got Tesla in there as well, so that's pretty amazing to see. And if we go over here to the METATERRY news, they had this here too posted, right here. MMAT Kingfisher Capital opens a new position in METATERRY stock. And boom, here is the big blown up version of it. And here you can see new purchase. MMAT Kingfisher initiated holdings in METATERRY. The purchases prices were between $288 and $729 with an estimated average price of $441. The stock is now traded at around $460. The impact to a portfolio due to this purchase was 0.2. The holdings were 129,903 shares as of 9/30, which that makes me want to go over here and take a look at this. We also had a freaking filing come. I got a notification from Fintel, but Sterling has a great breakdown here, so I'm going to use his breakdown of it. He said here, the shareholders meeting is December 3rd. We'll be voting on the 3rd for sure as items, as well as possible items that may come up in said time. I'll be voting with the board on all things, which I agree. The SEC filing, I'm going to be voting all things that they tell us to vote for because I trust George and what he's going to tell us to do. Notice of the annual meeting of stockholders to be held on December 3rd. Down here, it's going to be so far to elect 7 directors. George is one of those there. To ratify the appointment of KPMG LLP and to approve the 2021 Equity Incentive Plan. And that's saying 3.5 shares reserved, unissued of 2015 stock plan grant. And to transact such other business may properly come before the meeting. Now, I would love to see if we could get something in there about the preferred share dividend, guys. That would be pretty amazing to get that in there as well. I don't know if that had to be really voted on because it's kind of already done, I guess you would say. All right, so what else we got here going down the news? I want to say thank you to MMAT News. They retweeted my post. That definitely helped, got a lot more views on this video. I think it's pretty cool to see that Metamaterials got on the big screen, man. That's pretty awesome to be on Fox Business there. That is pretty amazing. They posted here about the shareholder meeting. And yeah, that is pretty much it for that. Now, the last thing I did want to cover is we're going to go here with the FinTel. I'm going to refresh it here just to make sure. Earlier today, I was on the stream. Short squeeze score still about the same. You can see it there. About 250,000 shares. Fees 2.64 went up a hair. We ain't really worried about that. But here is where I'm like, whoa, right there. So earlier today, we looked at yesterday and said, you know what? Maybe the shorts are backing off. They only did a 20.14 short volume ratio. But for today, the 29th, 55.26, they're right back to it. So it seems like any time Metamaterials gets any kind of traction, the shorts pile in, the branch back down. That's exactly how it seems. God, look at this. FINRA was 7.9, almost 8 million shares. They shorted 4.4 million of them. That is just nuts. Pretty darn sad that they had to do that. But, you know, it is what it is. And I think here under this, yeah, at the 28th yesterday, there wasn't many short, but I think the 29th is going to be a lot on there, in my opinion. Let's go look here at the institutional owners. See if we got anything here. Ownership accumulation score, 98.35, ranked 31, pretty phenomenal. No one new up here. Man, that is a nice, that 46.8 million. Here it is, the Kingfisher Capital right there. Right here it is on the FinTel today. All of these different ones here bought in 141,000. Here's the Kingfisher one, 129,000. We did cover this. Kingfisher disclose Metamaterials Holdings valued at $750,000. That's a nice bump right there. Let's check out this other big one here. The Vanguard disclosing ownership 656,000 shares as of August 31st. Right here you can see it. Boom. Metamaterials. All right, so I think we pretty much, guys, covered everything I wanted to. We can go back, take a look here at the overview to see if we have any updates. Momentum 98.3, ranked 672. Insider 80.12, ranked 841. Ownership accumulation 98.35. And here was the, oh no, it doesn't show it there, but it shows it here under filings and latest. And I did go in and read it right here, the DEF 14A. So December 3rd is going to be another key date for our upcoming catalyst. Of course, we know November 1st is going to be huge with the AWE All event. It's going to be amazing. Then we also got that big event after that coming up the week after. Like I said, guys, I'm going to be flying down to Miami tomorrow. Going to be on the cruise ship. I'll be bringing you all videos, little 1 to 2, 3 minute videos, vlog style on the ship, bringing you all some amazing views. Talk about stocks and just show you my vacation while I'm gone. So thank you all for your support, and I'll catch you all on the next one, guys. Peace.